Hey!
He just called me.
Why are you laughing?
No, we have to get online to pay. Mom and Dad.
Over there waiting. Okay, la gorda, por favor.
Oh, you guys are so nice. Wow.
Hello, everybody.
Oh my God.
Hello. Why are you?
Not that full.
You are tired.
We're expecting it to be like, no, yeah, this is not
Hi,
normal.
Ruth.
Hi.
Welcome to my vlog, Ruth.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, I am. And then there's Bay Melly, right?
Yes.
There you go.
That's real rock climbing right
they
there.
have a pig race.
Oh, I didn't see that.
How much?
gonna
What's
sign
my
up.
cash price?
I'm gonna sign up.
Number one.
Dude.
Oh wait, don't you have a pig you can race?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, the heck is that?
Fat or fast?
Fast.
Fast.
No way.
The other day that I went over and my little brother had escaped out of the garage and he couldn't catch it.
What do they call it?
Peppa the Snitch?
No, something funny.
Chuleta.
Chuleta. You said chancla. No.
I forgot.
Ooh,
Ooh.
I think. Yeah.
I'm sad because I really like sushi and now I'm like tramada for my rostro.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Boys.
Blog confession. Wait.
Fucking W.
This is vlog confession. You have to
Frisky,
confess
pussy.
something. You have to confess.
Boomtown.
Confess something nobody knows.
I only paid for one water bottle and they gave me 2.
Okay, vlog confessions.
I'm gay.
We already know that.
Oh, I'm straight.
Oh, okay. Vlog confession. Somebody nobody knows. Something nobody knows.
I'm here for the food.
We know that.
The beer. I don't know.
You ate it all. I'm just kidding. Tell your man a secret message. I already told him yesterday and he didn't like it, so I'm not gonna tell him anymore.
Wait, we all want to know.
All right. Your secret?
I left work 2 hours early to be here.
Oh, in shape. You know where to find him?
Wow.
It's
Talk about
24 hours
somebody who is
fitness.
responsible.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
We don't need you in our group.
Here.
We care about hard workers in this group. You're not part of it. You know what? You can fuck off now, Chris.
Hey. This is Siva.
Oh.
What's your language? There's kids around.
All right, let's make a rule. Whoever
Chris, you're lucky there's kids around.
gets a purple nurple, okay?
What's a purple nurple?
What is that?
What's a 30? What's a dirty 30 or what's it called? What's a dirty Sanchez?
Whoever cusses is getting a purple
I don't
nurple.
honestly know.
Yeah, that's what. What is a dirty Sanchez?
Wait, what if it's
twist.
She's sexist.
I don't know.
Yeah, you could go to jail if you do that to a woman.
They do it all the time to me.
Fucking pussy.
Growing up.
Hell no, I didn't.
Boomtown.
You did it.
Boomtown.
Fine, I don't know, what's the equivalent of a purple nurple?
This. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. But we're not the problem, you guys are.
I've never cussed.
We're
Niggy,
the
remember those?
outside.
What?
Niggies, remember those?
Oh yeah, no, cool.
Main problems right here.
What?
Watch your nips.
You're gonna be bleeding at the end of the night.
That's not fair. Mine are scarred
Like,
from
guys,
running.
how was Dell'Osso? Good.
Look at purple.
It's fucking great. Worth it.
Hey, she just cussed. She just
I
cussed.
was using an example.
She just cussed.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah.
Ow.
Wait, pull it from the side. Okay,
Yeah.
Ow. I'm going
Okay. But
He said, grab the back by the neck.
He's gonna say, wrap your hand around.
Irlo, hey. You dropped your oh, just kidding, you didn't.
Hey Ruth. All right.
Babe, you can't curse.
Was that guy trying to go get lost?
I don't know, but I deny.
Oh,
Wait, are we missing anyone?
But no, what was he like?
What's
I
he
don't
look like?
Soap or whatever.
What's he look like?
He was there.
What does that soap smell like?
It's the smell.
She did it again. She did it again. Hold on, sis. You gonna end up with.
That's a bad word.
That's a woman's part.
Okay, starts now.
Okay.
Wait, what the?
If you curse,
Oh, okay, cool.
if you curse, if you're a guy, you get twisted nippy, whatever it's called. And then if you're a girl, you get yagad.
On my hair?
Yeah.
Okay, I got 10.
Oh, I love corn mazes more than I love my wife. Boom down.
You're so naive.
What you didn't? I said more than I love my wife. I didn't curse.
Oh, so some guy was flirting with Ruth, right? And he was all like, "Oh, I don't like this kind of soap." Or like, "Is it this kind of smell?" And she was like, "Yeah." And he's like, "I don't like it." And you know what she said?
What?
She said, "Then you better not wash your hands then." Yeah, and she just walked away. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I'm guessing we're all gonna go this way.
Thank you.
I thought we were all going together.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, we are.
We're all going together. What you mean,
no,
bro?
I'm not letting go.
Y'all seen the movie High Grass on Netflix?
Tall grass.
Tall grass.
Hey, what's the hardest one?
No much of that.
All right, let's
a
go.
month away.
Oh, okay. Renee.
Let's pet the kids.
The heck?
I thought there was a little pig in there.
That's fucked up. That's cool.
I hope they got their flu shot.
Okay, mom.
Hey, after they make popcorn.
Alright, ready to get fucked up?
Go. Diabetes, man.
Strong. They gotta know what we're doing.
We're gonna test little Chris' eye coordination skills.
Sounds good.
This is a trained military armorsmith.
Armor Smith.
No, he's army. He doesn't count.
Yeah, armorsmith. You're supposed to know how to handle the gun. I'm supposed to trust him with my safety.
Okay, he's getting close. He's getting close.
Alright, Chris.
Yeah, you. Oh!
Oh, wow.
Delete that.
I thought you were gonna throw away over there.
That was a fluke.
40.
No?
I'm serious. No, I want you to hold me. Good luck in there. I know, I see your shadow right here.
Oh, they called it. Hey, yo, I'm leaving.
Wait a minute! No photography in 5. Waiting for the
I don't think he's real, Renee. Who's gonna flinch first?
Good job.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Where'd Fabi go?
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck. Wait, what? That's the exit? Yeah. Oh, that was fast.
Thank you.
That was cool.
Yeah.
We lost Fabi. We lost Fabi.
Did he go back?
No, he's dead.
That was deep.
Bro, I'm just doing my job. He's like, bro, I'm just doing my job.
He got it on camera.
Where is Bobby? For the vlog.
Oh, he's right there, finally.
Yeah. He was over there scary.
Dude, that's the best costume right there. Okay.
Wait, what did he do? He dragged.
He's light.
He dragged, yeah.
Like the chains make
Laid on his
noises.
knees.
Funnel cake and then tractor ride.
Yes.
And then we'll come back and do it again if you want.
Yes.
Girls stay outside.
No,
No.
And we still have to change our diapers. Horrible, guys.
And then at the end, is this the exit? Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The clown.
The guy in the clown costume, like he picked his head out and scared us. And then I was like, wait, like there was no other way to go. I'm like, is that the exit? He's like, yeah.
Took a shot really serious.
Wait, when I get my braces off, I want to come and get a camera lab.
When are they coming out?
Next week. No, me and Leo, we had our braces together at the same time. Right, because he got my braces.
He really went in, huh? I was like, damn.